I'd like to introduce the project, the Scotia Wealth Management renovation and expansion that Lori and Phil did for us. Lori being the project manager and Phil being the site superintendent.
Very unique project in that it was an occupied space and we were renovating over 2 phases. This is an office building and we were renovating for phase 1 to expand the area, and then we had to move the people that were already occupied into the new space and then carry on with the old space. So very unique situation. Our first challenge when we got in to the actual building and looking at everything was that the condensed area that we were dealing with, as well as having to work with the staff that was occupied in that building and working on a regular basis. Fortunately, with Scotia Wealth Management, the team there were excellent to deal with. And we worked right alongside with them in just how to maneuver, how to keep our sounds down, because this is still an active site. I think we got the PO on a Monday and we had to be on site and demoing the following Monday. That means everything had to be in order. All our permits, all our ordering, all our procurement, to align with a very accelerated schedule. We came in on time, under budget, and we were able to hand over a completed site on both phases to the client. And I think everybody was very happy about that. A very unique design. Our other challenge was that our designer was in Toronto, hadn't been to the site before, and we were working with a lot of unknowns. She had a very unique design vision, and we were able to accommodate that and still proceeded and, like I said, finished up on time. As for our internal team, a project manager can only be as good as their superintendent as well as their project director, and bringing in our sub-trades that we had. We're all aligned on the scope of work and our task as well as a poll plan. Again, I want to thank very much Phil Elliott. Couldn't have done this job without his help, his guidance, his oversight, and thinking outside the box, which is one thing that Chandos is very much known for. We see things differently. We work with all type of clients, and we get the job done efficiently, on time, on schedule, keeping our waste down, and working with our clients in every step of the way.
With a very successful project that both Lori and Phil did, very proud of what they've done, proud of how they handled themselves with working with the client, with working with the consultant team, and with working ultimately with our sub-trades. It was a very successful project. Whenever I toured around and went to site, I could see that everyone was in fact enjoying what they were doing there and was pulling on the rope the same direction to complete a project successfully, on time and on budget.